Boom! Of course. What's those?
Oh no, this is called sauce.
Okay.
I don't know, bro. I'm trying to open it.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to see what this one is.
Yep.
Let's see what that one is. Oh, smoke. Nope.
That.
Oh, salt. That's your sauce. Northern Lights is what this one's called.
Ha! That's funny. Northern Lights. What the heck?
Yeah, that's what that one's called. Setting it just like that. Ah, fuck. Hurt my fucking thumb again. That's your Northern Lights. Let's see what one of these are. Need your assistance, asshole. Or no. This is called Go Flow or whatever. Glow.
Ah, Glow Flow?
Yeah.
Ah.
I have anything sharp on it.
I don't either.
Take all this paper off my can.
Yep.
See this like right over here. Yeah, this is what this looks like. Alright, we're about to see what this one is.
Yep.
Backing up.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, it changes. Right on. Sweet. Oh. Was not expecting for it to do that.
Huh?
Was not expecting for it to do all that.
501 Morning Glory.
Oh boy.
This is what these are. Oh, they're bottle rockets. We'll save those for someone.
Yeah, I started to say, because we don't have anything to shoot them off with.
Blue Fury. Ready to see what this one looks like?
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blue Fury.
Ah. It's like the other one.
Yeah, that one.
These are going kind of quick.
Fire ants.
Fire ants. What?
Yeah.
Okay. See what these do.
I'll get them out of the box and see, bitch. Oh, it's one of these.
It's one of what?
Taking box to clear it apart. Right?
Okay. There we go. Okay. Huh.
That's what that is. This is sunshine. Alright? This one's called sunshine. bush on it. Damn, that's bright.
Yeah, that is bright.
This is called red hot.
How many more do I got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
Remember, it came in 19 pieces.
yeah,
So you're good. You're golden, bro.
yeah.
You're golden.
Oh, what fun.
It don't matter. Let's see what this one does. What do you think?
Yep. That one didn't last that long.
This one's called Happy Valley.
Happy Valley.
Happy Valley, so what is that?
Yep. Oh.
This one's called Jukebox. This one's called Jukebox.
Yeah.
Oh, my ass! I'm part of it. This is what Jukebox does.
Yep. Ah, okay.
That one right up.
Yep.
Next is called Green Glow. See what's called Green Glow. I'll leave it in the box This is another glow fuse, okay?
Yep.
This one's called Chill Out.
Urgh.
Alright, this is called Chill Out. Here we go. Now we chill out. Now this one is called Anvil. Oh, there's the weight right there. Paper round. I don't care if paper gets it.
Yep. Should be alright. Oh, don't tell me I got a dud.
No, I think with that paper on there, it's no paper's catching.
Is it catching?
Yeah, hold up.
Yeah, you gotta take the paper off.
Dude, that wick. Oh man, that wick's already gone.
Ah!
Yep. Man. Hey, there's always one in the bunch, right?
Oh yeah, totally. Well, That was a dud.
This one's called Dazzler. This one's called Dazzler. I'm trying to get in here so I can pay for it.
Yep. Because we don't need any more mishaps.
I'm just going to get it straight out. So here we go. I'm trying to bend my finger.
Nope.
Okay, I thought it was done. Where's that one that was a dud at?
Right there. I mean, can it still light?
Actually, I'm going to try to dip this and get like this stuff.
Eh. Yep.
Well, the only thing that's left are these. These are rockets.
Yeah. We don't have nothing to shoot the rockets out with.
Who said you had to have?
Well,
Oh, there's no way.
duh.
Alright, I'm not
Then that's all she wrote then.
Alright, so, pick all this up.
All right.